everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make one of the healthy recipe using fenugreek seeds. All the ingredients are provided in the description box, and I'm very excited to share with you all that my new videos are coming every Friday. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of notifications. To prepare the mixture, we need 1 kg of wheat flour, 200 grams of fenugreek seeds and 100 gram of rice. Dry roast both fenugreek and rice until they turn golden brown and make a powder of this. Mix this powder with the wheat flour to get the perfect mixture to make these fenugreek balls. I have taken 1 cup of this prepared flour and 1.5 cup of water. I am using the same measuring cup to measure both. Transfer water to a container, add half cup of jaggery and 2 tablespoons of flour. This flour is apart from the 1 cup of flour we have taken. Mix it well to make it lump free. Mix it when the water is cold only. If it is hot, it is very hard to make it lump free. Bring it to boil. This is very good for when the girls mature and for the new moms, as it gives lot of support for the back, and also for kids who wants to gain weight, who are very thin, they give this along with ghee and also 1 egg. So it started boiling now. Remove half a cup of syrup aside. If you are familiar with making ragi balls, you don't need to, you can skip this step. Now add the flour, add it gently and spread it and cook for 5 minutes in low to medium flame. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. Reduce the flame, add half teaspoon of ghee, which helps in mixing well, making it lump free and gives a nice buttery texture. Try to mix it well and try to break all the lumps. It is little hard as there is no much water content. Now try adding syrup little by little and mix it well. By doing this, it's easier to break the lumps. Actually, these fenugreek balls are little harder to get a lump free one than the ragi ball. By following this step, it is easy to achieve it. Now it is lump free. Cook for a minute. Nice aroma starts coming. Turn off the flame and now let's make the balls. Since it is hot, wet the plate and your hand with cold water. Take ladle spoon full of mixture and keep making a smooth ball. If it is hot, try to wet your hand and keep doing it. You can make it sweet, or if you don't want sweet, you can remove or add very less jaggery and eat with sambar like a regular ragi ball. If it is sweet one, enjoy with ghee. This is the one my kids love it. This is very healthy and simple to make it. So please do try and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And everyone, be happy, be healthy and be safe. Take care.